2025 divided by 1 equal to what, or quotient what is the quotient or answer? The division statement 2025 divided by 1. What is the quotient? The quotient is 2025. Actually, if you divide a number by 1, the answer will be that number itself, that is 2025. This is the division statement. Would like to find a related multiplication statement from this division statement. You know that there, for every division statement there is a related multiplication statement. This is dividend, this is divisor, and this is a quotient, right? So divisor times quotient equal to dividend. This is the multiplication statement. So now think, what times 1 gives you this? Let's say 0. So 0 times 1, which is 0. 0 is not uh, 2025. So 0 is not answer. Again 2 times 1 equal to 2 times 1 equal to 2. 2 is not 2025. So 2 is not our correct answer. Only 2025 times 1 equal to 2025. So this 2025 is similar to this 2025. So our answer is 2025. Okay, I hope you have understood.